This is how I installed Kali Linux in VirtualBox. Go to https://cdimage.kali.org/kali-images/kali-weekly. Then click on the Kali Linux 2020 W04-AMD64.ISO. And it'll save to your downloads folder. Once it's downloaded, close Firefox and start VirtualBox. Click New. Type in your name, Kali Linux, and in version, select Debian 64-bit, then click Next. Give yourself some memory. I'm going to give 2 gigs. Okay, click Create. Click Next. Click Next. File location and size, I'm going to go with 32 gigs, then Create. Click Start. Then click that icon there and double click on your ISO image, then click Start. Scroll down to Graphical Install and hit Enter. Okay, select your language, Continue. Select your location, Continue. Keyboard, Continue. Okay, and our host name. Then Continue. Continue. Enter a username. Enter the username. Enter a password. Then Continue. Select time zone. Continue. Select guided, use entire disk. Continue. Continue. All files in one partition. Continue. Finish. Continue. Click Yes, and then Continue. Yes, Continue. Continue. Okay, here's where we can select additional software to install. I'm just going to install some desktop environments. and you can scroll down to see what all the options are. When you're done, hit continue. Okay, pick a display manager. I'm going to choose SDDM and then hit continue. Okay, choose yes, then continue. Click on the device, click continue. Okay, click continue. Okay, in the top left, you can choose which desktop environment you want to use. I'm going to choose KDE Plasma, then enter your username and password. Okay, Kali Linux is now up and running in a virtual machine. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.